You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of different playwrights from literature and more French pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned. So yes, this is originally a name from French, hence the silent T. The French pronunciation here is pronounced Godot. Godot. It's obviously for the playwright named Waiting for Godot is how you pronounce it in French. In French, there's no stress on any particular syllable. Godot, it's neither the first or the second, but in English, it's generally the second, Godot. Waiting for Godot is how it's normally pronounced in English. English pronunciation, Godot. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.